A constant flow of new colorways featuring the DL and R4 shapes has made Nike's Shox come back anything from modest. With the upcoming Nike Shox TL Obsidian for fall 2025, the tech-forward silhouette will now have a covert new appearance. The pair comes with a deep navy mesh top that has tongues and tonal cage overlays for a smooth, industrial look. With its sleek metallic silver finish, the model's iconic full-length Shox system underfoot returns, providing equal parts cushioning and visual contrast. Without deviating too much from the subdued color scheme, light Armoury Blue highlights soften the darker tones in the design on the sock liners and heel clips. At the midfoot, traditional white swooshes are visible, and the design is completed with a dark gray rubber outsole. Anticipate the debut of the Nike Shox TL Obsidian on Nike.com this autumn for $170.